Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my next video. Today we're going to be replacing this window screen trim. So I've just come back from Hong Kong on Wednesday and come back to my car and this whole trim has just come off. So I went down to BMW, grabbed this big piece and let's install it. Also, sorry for the lack of videos. I've been away selling shoes in Hong Kong, so I got back. Now it's back to full-time YouTube. So from what I've read online, this is just held down by some tape or adhesive that is stuck along here. So realistically, you should be able to just peel it up. Yeah, you can see the adhesive all here. So you just peel it up, you scrape all the adhesive off, and oh, look who's back! Rex and his brand new MR2. Look at that. Look at that beast. So just get the rest of this, just rip it off. And you got this piece of shit that you can just chuck.
Oh, fuck!
You can just chuck at him. So once you remove that little trim, you'll be left with this like gluey residue. So you want a razor blade or some type of thing, or even just peel it off if it's not too destroyed. You want to get this off before you can stick the new window trim on. So I'm having a bit of an issue with getting out the sort of inlay silicone stickiness that's stuck in here. I'm using a little screwdriver just sort of digging it out. There's also a lot of dirt along here, so it's a good time to clean, I guess. Okay, so we've taken out all the inline sort of rubber crap. Now it's time to remove the silicone adhesive. Now for this we're going to be using a product from Autobahn called Sticky Remover. We're going to use that in conjunction with a microfiber and just sort of like scrub it off. See you in the next frame. So I've taken all the adhesive out, all the rubber inlays have all been taken out. It's now time to install this $80 Cover Wins rubber piece. So the way to install this, you sort of line it up and then just slowly press it in, but make sure it's not overlapped like that. So we've just removed that little orange tape from under this corner. Had a bit of an issue trying to fit it, but ended up just going the old hammer and whacking away. Push it down, make sure the adhesive's stuck. And we now have a new windscreen trim, so water's not going to leak into the cabin anymore.
I can't believe I have almost 100 of you watching my videos. It gives me the biggest smile to know you guys enjoy this content. I have big plans regarding the E90 coming up, including a starter replacement and exhaust cutout, just to name a few. Thanks for watching.